Don't you hate receiving and sending emails outside of working hours? You know who you are. Temptation to send an email, temptation to reply to an email out of hours. Doesn't that really drive you nuts when you get one out of hours and you're asked to do something? Let me show you a quick hack how you can be mindful about sending emails. And after you see this one, I guarantee you will change your email behaviors. Let's go. So from your email page here, you click options, then you click delayed delivery, then you begin to choose the time. So for example, if this member of staff was on annual leave, you delay it by a week. Then you choose the time where you want this message to land. Then you press OK. Then you put in your subject and your text, and the next thing you know, this email will appear in the outbox until the day and time of the delivery. So you avoid staff having to receive emails out of hours. I've made this explainer really short, so if you need to watch it again, go back. But thanks for watching.